Yeah, sanibonani guys. Ezipheli ezibuhlungu azipheli madonna. Apparently, or it's been confirmed by Kaizer Chiefs that Bongani Sam has been released with immediate effect. The left back, 28 years, bro. Like, come on, whoa, asimeni lapho. This guy was playing for Kaizer Chiefs. I've never seen this guy bafethu. The last time I saw this guy playing was for Orlando Pirates. When did he join Kaizer Chiefs? Asiqaleni lapho. Anisikumbuzeni ukuthi ujoyine nini kwayenzekani cause come on guys. I never seen this guy play. I think Kaizer Chiefs is making a prank. Come on guys. All one marang inform like when did this guy play for Kaizer Chiefs or signing or what was the signing on fee? It can't be. I fail to believe this. Kaizer Chiefs is a big team.